My name is Loveth Harbor. I am from Nigeria, a Nigerian from Edo State, okay? I have been in Valencia for more than 10 years now, and I have a lot of things that I'm doing here. I'm a mother of two children, okay, a boy and a girl, okay? And my husband is a pastor of a church. When I was little, my mother wanted me to be a medical doctor, but I didn't have the brain for that because I didn't like blood. I don't like to see blood and all that. So when I was old enough, I knew I wanted to be a journalist. Okay, I read English in the university in Nigeria, and from there, I looked for a job and I got a job as a journalist. Okay, I worked a long time as a journalist when I was in Nigeria. It was a very fulfilling career for me and all that, and it was part of the reasons I even came to Europe, that I didn't go back. But right now, I am now a producer, okay, of movies. Okay, I write my scripts, okay, I produce my movies, and I also act in my movies. So right now, you can call me an actress and a producer. Okay, I have produced a movie here in Valencia, okay, a religious movie in English. It's called Evil Secret. And for some time now, I've gone home to Nigeria to produce movies with other famous actresses in Nigeria and all that. So I guess my life, everything that I have seen in Valencia and everything, it's all part of the movie, you know. It's all part of the things that I write about, and I'm hoping that one day I would write a script here that we can use for a movie based on what I have experienced in my time here and everything, the way, you know, the blacks are looked upon and everything. I hope one day I will be able to write it as a script and then we do a movie like that. When you talk about cultural diversity, it's a very big thing, you understand? And I think it's a very good thing, you know. No man is an island. We learn from each other. Okay, there is no culture that is everybody. The beauty of life, it's about the different cultures, the different people, you know, that you meet in your way of life, that you interact with. Okay, you know, I know a little about your culture, you know a little about my culture. It's a very important thing, and it's something that I love. It's something that I look forward to. I don't think everybody. We have blood in our veins. Everybody, we have something to give to the world. Everybody has, you know, how will I say, we were born, you know, to impact the world. Do not despise, that's the word. You don't despise people just for who they are, for where they come from, okay? Because I think, they said, the Englishman says traveling is a part of education, okay? So when we travel, it's everybody's right to travel. It doesn't mean that because I am like from here, I'm a lesser person, okay? And you are from there and you are superior. No, everybody is equal before God and before every other thing.